Hey guys, welcome to the Ramadan vlog. Let's spend the day together. It's quite a busy day, but I love the month of Ramadan so much and I thought why not bring you guys along with me. I literally have to stay up all night tonight, but I have to go to a suhoor first with some friends. We are going to Atlantis and I'm loving these lights on the streets of Palm. If you don't know, this is the Asatir tent at Atlantis. Somehow I end up coming here every year at least once during Ramadan, and these lights never gets old. I love suhoor nights out with my friends, but I have so much to do tonight, so I have to go home now. Guys, it's 3 a.m. Let's pack Ramadan goodie bags for Aslan's class. Me and Aslan are sending Ramadan goodie bags filled with treats for all his friends and his entire class. I just have 1 hour to pack around 30 bags and then I have to eat my suhoor and then it'll be almost time to go to school. I'll also be doing some Ramadan activities with the kids, and then after that I have a lot more things lined up for the whole day. It's gonna be a long day with no sleep. Let's get started. So I have laid out everything on the table. Let me take you guys through the whole table and explain what I'm doing. So I've prepared this phases of moon activity for the kids that they'll be doing with Oreos. I try to keep it fun for them, but I try to spread the message of Ramadan every year with his class. I'll also do a short story time with this book. I'm going to be using these little bags for the goodie bag. So we have some chips somans, some decor, some candies, some date cakes, and some stickers. And I've got these little Ramadan tags to put inside the goodie bags for each family. Let's get started with the packing. So 2 packs of Oreos for the activity, and then this is the activity sheet instructions. We'll need this plastic knife to create the phases of moon, 1 mamul, which is a date cake, these fun bazooka mix-up candies. We're also adding a mini galaxy, and Aslan just discovered this sour candy, so adding this as well. Also adding a Ramadan hanging decor. Of course, we have to add a page of fun stickers. Chip Soman is a must. So this is how it's looking so far. And finally, I'm adding these Ramadan tags. Alright, now let's close this up. And the first one is done. I've just made one more. To finish them, we're gonna add these Ramadan stickers on top of the goodie bag. And that's it. So that's the progress, but I still have to make 1,000 more. I mean about 20 more. Running on no sleep, but I'm ready to take Aslan to school now.
Good morning, Angel.
Ready?
Yeah. Did you put the biscuits in?
I did. So, do you want to see what I did last night?
Yeah.
For your friends?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check it out. Weather looks okay today.
Wow. Wow.
What do you think of it?
It's tasty.
So I'm gonna bring them.
Okay.
Look, these are the activity sheets that we are gonna be doing.
Wow. So cool.
Aslan loves to hold my hand like this every morning. Just dropped him and now I'm on my way back home. I just reached. Now let's go check on the pets. Hey, Angel, get back inside. Get back inside. Angel. Angel tried to run away, but this is Mira and Missy. Just got back home and I just have half an hour to get ready. And then I just have to get all of this to the car and then we'll be ready to go. I finished up with most of the work yesterday because I knew it was gonna be a busy day, so no office today. I just got ready. I still have to put these 3 tags in 3 pouches. This is my outfit. I couldn't find a big Amazon box. I think I'm just gonna put everything inside this big bag. We're gonna leave because now we're running late. I also have some extra ones for the teachers.
And then the other children, you're going to be doing...
This activity was so much fun to do with the kids. They learned about the Ramadan moon and the phases of the moon, and they ate a ton of Oreos. I spoke about Ramadan, read the story, gave them the goodie bags, and now we are back home. It was a short day in school today, which was good because we have an iftar to go to later, and now he has to go for his running class. Go. Go, Aslan. Go. Show me the stickers.
I'm already putting them.
Did you get 2 because you did so well in the class?
Yeah. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Aslan is going to open his day 9 of Ramadan Advent Calendar.
Wow. Try it. It may take me a while.
So good.
I have a paper. Because I did 10. I do 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Mommy. It's easy. Oh, a T-ball. I really wanted it. I have a Hot Wheel. Whoa.
Final one.
In the book. And I probably wrote the day from day 8 to day 9.
Okay, so we're gonna go and do my nails now. This is the before. Let's go. Where are you going?
With you.
Hi, how are you?
Well, they're clean. I'll show you how the lights work. So these little lights look like this. These two.
For you to come up.
I don't want to clean.
Nail color options. Usually I have long nails, but I have chopped them off. It badly needed a detox. It's just perfect. Yeah.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it.
Look, ornaments from Christmas.
Where did you find that?
From here.
So today he had running peach kind of one. Always a struggle to decide which color to go for unless I put like all different colors on all my nails. Brownish, grayish. This is not even funny at this point, and I think I just got some nail paint on my face. Okay, Aslan. I finally decided on this neutral color. This would go with all my outfits for iftars and suhurs. Can you leave her alone? Leave her alone. Doesn't want to go up. Can you go up, please? We're done with the nails. We did breathable nail paint, of course, because it's Ramadan. Actually, very nice. Angel is here. Done with the nails. This is what we went for. We're heading out for iftar. Kind of running a little late as usual. Aslan is also ready. I absolutely love the sky during sunset, and Dubai sky is just always extra beautiful. We are almost here. A giant feather moon at the entrance. So cool, look at this. We had to take this bridge down, and then now we are in a buggy to reach the Ramadan tent.
Wow!
So for iftar, we are going to the Ramadan garden at Jumeirah Beach Hotel. The tent and its setup was absolutely immaculate. Like, I don't expect anything less from this hotel. It was so pretty, and even though it was packed, it still felt super spacious. That was the view from our table. I mean, we always love a Burj view, right? All right, let's get to the food. This was the salad section. It had a ton of options with seafood, meat, Arabic, even for vegetarians, and they had the bread section. And these were the appetizers, the kibbe, sambosa, live shawarma station. The appetizers were all like a 10 out of 10. They were so good. Even Aslan liked them a lot. This was my plate of appetizers. Then Aslan wanted some gahwa, which is the Arabic coffee, and they even gave him some, which was so funny. I don't drink coffee, but I tried the gahwa and it was good. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of ghuzi, but I tried this and it was really good. Then they had this full grill section with all these different kinds of options. They also had this seafood rice thing, and then this entire section had so many more other things. They had roasted beef, different kinds of chicken, they had ravioli, and all different kinds of other things. This was my plate. Absolutely loved the dinner as well. Everything was a 10 out of 10, like so good. This beautiful performance was going on at the time of our dinner. We were having such a great time, such great vibes, the food, the ambience, everything was perfect. You guys, the dessert section didn't disappoint at all. They had anything and everything you can think of. This was the Arabic section with the date tower, and on the other side they had all these different kinds of other pastries and cakes, macaroons. Like, the options for cakes and desserts were endless. There was a hot chocolate cake, and then another section of Arabic sweets with kunafa, other kinds of desserts, and my favorite thing in the world, lokmat. If you know me, you know how much I love lokmat. Everything was really good, and these were my plate of desserts. Towards the end of iftar, we saw another beautiful performance. This iftar was a 10 out of 10. I really loved everything about it. I'm glad I came with my family. And of course, then we took some pictures. I love the fact that they put this mirror here for mirror selfies. There was this Nissan installation outside. I don't know why, but then we took the buggy back. Aslan was having the best time of his life during the buggy rides. Thank goodness I don't have a suhoor plan for tonight because I'm so sleep deprived and I'm so tired. But I'm taking you guys to a suhoor on a different night. There's a short mindset advice that I've added at the end of the video that may help you, so make sure to watch it till the end. Today we decided to do something different.
Oh, there's only a note today. A message. Today we are sharing our gifts with somebody in need.
Press this button, donate now.
Yeah.
Alright, make it 100. No, not 7,000. 100.
At 1,200.
There you go. Okay, let's do 105. Continue. Here.
Double click to play.
It's done.
35 meals are on their way.
I'm going out with my friends to Bulgaria for suhoor. This is my outfit for the night. Hold on, let me show you guys the full look. And guess who's coming with me? One, there was no one to look after him tonight, and two, he really wanted to go to Bulgaria, so here we are. It was definitely not a kid-friendly seher because there was shisha everywhere, and I don't know how they allowed the reservation with it, but whatever, it doesn't bother me. The suhoor was alright. For appetizers, there were like a very few options, and then these were kind of the mains, and then they also had a shawarma station. They had a live pasta station which was not that good, but the salad section and the cheese section was really good. This will be yummy.
Tasty.
Done with the suhoor, made a quick stop at the petrol station. Okay. So I heard this online recently and I was getting ready today. I was looking at the mirror and I thought of this, and so I thought, why not share it with you. If you look in the mirror and if you see your reflection frowning, you don't go to the reflection and shout at it and ask it to smile. You don't shout at it to change the reflection. The only way that mirror will smile back at you is if you smile first. If you're waiting for the outer reality to change to make a difference in your life, you will be waiting forever. But if you decide to change no matter what is going on around your reflection, then that is proof of true change. You're saying that doesn't really matter to me because I can allow anything to serve me in a positive way. You're saying I'm not stating my state of being in those old-fashioned, outdated ways. I get to decide what this means. I get to decide my own reality. I get to decide what the definitions are that work for me because I am my own reality. I'm my own point of view and I decide what happens. So the idea is to basically detach yourself from those old, outdated meanings, because as you already know now, that the universe is going to support you in whatever it is that you choose. It doesn't contradict you. It can't. The same way how the mirror can't for whatever your facial expression is. It has to give you back whatever it is that you're giving off. If it has supported in your frowning and in your negativity, then it will also support you if you decide to bring positivity into your life and if you choose to smile. It truly all depends on you. Thanks for watching. Eid Mubarak.